Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by using print because it is the straightforward way to take output out of Python. Start now by calling print hello. Once done, combine values. Print A, B, C sends them with spaces. If you need different separators, make sure to use sep equals or sep equals for no new line use end equals. You also can format output with f strings, f value. To f, this gives control over precision and readability, so output looks exactly as you need. Once you have basic prints working, move to redirecting and formatting. You can send output to a file, f equals open out, txtw, print data file equals f close, alternatively use with open. As f for safety. Make sure to use flush equals true when you need real-time output, for example in loops or logging. For precise presentation, use f strings or format to set decimal places and padding. This ensures reproducible. To finish, make sure you properly finalize output so nothing is lost. Use with open, as f to auto-close files or call f close after manual opens. Once done, verify buffering. Use flush equals true or set buffering equals 1 for line buffering when writing to pipes or terminals. If you are sending output to other processes, confirm a stdout is not redirected or captured by a framework. Troubleshooting tip. If you see nothing, check for exceptions that silence prints and inspect Python buffering and redirection settings before assuming code failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.